Fitting instructions for a Roman blind with a standard aluminium headrail. A correctly measured Roman blind may be mounted on the wall, on the ceiling, or on the window frame with special, non-invasive window brackets. To find out how to measure for a blind correctly, refer to our How to Measure for a Roman Blind guide. Mounting on the wall. A blind should be fitted approximately 30 cm above the top edge of the window. Position the headrail on the wall and mark out the position of the holes for the brackets. Brackets should be fitted approximately 10 cm from either end of the headrail. Remember that non-standard blinds may require additional brackets. Ensuring that the headrail is level, mark on the wall the position of the holes for the brackets. Drill holes. Insert plugs if required and use screws to attach the brackets. Next, clip the headrail into the brackets. Gently place the top lip of the headrail on top of the brackets and press the bottom lip of the headrail until it clicks into place. The next step is fitting the safety device. Fit the cord tension device to the adjacent wall, at the preferred height, with the screws included in the kit. Remember that a loosely hanging cord is less aesthetic and may pose strangulation risk for children. Mounting on the ceiling. A blind should be fitted minimum 30 cm above the top edge of the window. This will allow you to easily open the window when the blind is open. Position the headrail on the ceiling and mark out the position of the holes for the brackets. Brackets should be fitted approximately 10 cm from either end of the headrail. Drill the holes. Insert plugs if required and fix brackets onto the ceiling. Remember that wide blinds may require additional brackets. Place the top lip of the headrail on top of the brackets and gently press the bottom lip of the headrail until it clicks into place. Using 2 screws, fit the cord tension device to the adjacent wall. Remember that a loosely hanging cord is less aesthetic and may pose a strangulation risk for children. Mounting on the window frame. A Roman blind may also be fitted on the window frame with special, non-invasive window brackets. Using the screws included, attach the headrail bracket to the window frame bracket. Place the bracket over the top edge of the window frame on both sides. Gently tighten the brackets. Place the top lip of the headrail on top of the brackets and gently press the bottom lip of the headrail until it clicks into place. Operating the blind. Operating instructions are the same for all fittings. To open the blind, pull the cord downwards. To lock the blind in position at the desired height, simply release the cord. To close the blind, pull the cord away from the blind at an angle of around 45 degrees and gently lower the blind to the desired height. Please contact us if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help. Decoria.